Lexington man maintains he's innocent despite being charged with murder. ABC 36's Anna Medina has been following his case and sat down with the Commonwealth Attorney to talk about the process.
She joins us now with those details in tonight's top story at 6. Anna?
Kimberly Henderson Baird is the Commonwealth Attorney here in Fayette. She says whenever certain cases go through the process of the justice system, there are always misconceptions on the work her office does. And it's mainly because people are not educated.
Educate yourself, because there's always two sides to every story.
As the Fayette Commonwealth Attorney, Kimberly Henderson Baird has no easy tasks, but one thing is certain.
There are people who have put their heart and souls into this to protect victims, to protect the public, and the prosecutors in protecting the rights of defendants.
She says the biggest misconception of her office is how cases are processed. And although she can't go into specifics about certain ones, she explained the judicial process.
Anytime there's a person arrested, all of those cases start in district court and with the county attorney. And they handle initially the misdemeanors and the felony preliminary hearings. The county attorney will handle the probable cause determination. It's called the preliminary hearing, and that's the determination that the judge makes if there's probable cause for the case to be sent to my office. When it comes to my office, we then conduct the grand jury hearing. Those grand jurors are randomly picked.
Adding that when a grand jury indicts someone, it's because there is sufficient competent evidence for it to move forward.
If they're charged with murder, we obviously don't want them released without any bond conditions. Also, the standard is different. So I said at grand jury, the standard is sufficient competent evidence for the case to go forward. For trial, it's beyond a reasonable doubt, and it requires all 12 in a unanimous verdict. And so just because a police officer charges, we may get more information. We may talk to the defense attorney and, his client and get more information we need to follow up on. So a lot of times that doesn't happen until afterwards. So we keep going. So we can't necessarily wait for the lab and that backlog to do that.
She also sends a message for those indicted and their families.
Just wait till all the evidence comes out.
The grand jury has no previous knowledge of certain people involved in different cases. All they know is the information presented to them. The reason why some cases move forward without lab results is because the Commonwealth does have a specific time frame to present their case to the grand jury when they have someone in custody. For now, Anna Medina, ABC 36 on your side.